converted my Shin drone Squirt into a Slam. Slam Squirt is half the size of the duct, and as you can see, it's 3D printed. I have the Gopro 9 here with powered with this battery. There it is in the back. Drone company, Drone CO from Colorado. It came in yesterday, so I'm gonna fly it first time, and let's see how it works. I'm using stock PIDs, the same PIDs as the one with the original duct. And there's something wrong with my FPV. No, it could be something. You can see it's pretty loud. Not as loud, but it's pretty loud. I think there's the antenna sucks on this thing. Yep. I shouldn't use this antenna. This was a bad antenna. Or either that. I don't know it's gotta be the antenna. I used the original antenna. It might be bad. Getting like stuttering. So, but it's flying well. It's flying good. I like how it's flying. And there's some people there I'm gonna wait. It's flying well. It could be another ground. There's another guy in the field. Maybe interfering with me. I can have this. I haven't checked. Actually, I have to check though. Maybe it's on 25 milliwatts because I haven't used this. Vista in a long time. So I have to check if it's 25 milliwatt or not. It took longer to put this together than I thought it did. I had to take everything apart, and I definitely not broke, but I melted the cable in the original Vista that was on here, because once I finished, it was going